Enough of the flash flood warnings already.
8:06 a.m. Eastern Daylight Time. Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. Up to 2 inches of rain have already fallen. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Include flash flooding caused by
That's why this one
thunderstorms.
doesn't activate. Suit.
The following impacts are expected: flooding of small creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flooding include Harrodsburg, Willisburg, Bickville, Duncansville, Talmadge, Olin, Johnsonville, Riverview Estates, Dixville, and Seaville. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are possible in the warned area over the next few hours. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads.
Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles.
In hilly terrain, there are hundreds of low water crossings which are potentially dangerous in heavy rain.